Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sample data in Woocommerce with product image. So this tutorial will be very helpful if you are started to learn WordPress and Woocommerce to build your e-commerce website without any developer, or even you are new freelancer wanted to learn how to make e-commerce website with Woocommerce plugin. Then you can continue this tutorial. Let's get started. When we need to add sample data, actually when we start to build any website as demo and we have no real data or product image, product information, then we need to import sample data for our design purpose. So here is my WordPress. I have installed WordPress and also installed WooCommerce plugin. But if you check products, there is no products. I have also no any product right now. I wanted to add product to make my shop or make my design beautiful. So look at here, there is no product right now. So I wanted to add sample product. Now we start to import our sample product. So first of all, I'm going to click on the product, then click on the start import, then scroll down and click at here show advanced options. So I'm going to click on here, and now I'm going to paste an URL right here. So my sample products CVS file is here. I will share this URL in the description with you also, so that you can import sample data without any restrict when you work in the local host. So I have put this URL at here, then click on the import. Then scroll down, click on the run the importer. Now our product importing. Wow, we have done. So we have completed 25 product imported, and our CSV file is uploaded. Now we can view our product. So I'm going to click on the view product button. Wow, right now we have product here, and if I visit my website or web store, wow, so I have the product right now, and it very quickly I can design our e-commerce website, and I can make customize anything change here. So I no need to upload manually product one by one for design purpose. So I hope you understand what I means. Our our aim in this tutorial is to uh, upload dummy product or sample product, and we have successfully done this one. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, and if you want to uh, get relevant video notification, then click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.